Ernest Shackleton and the courage to begin. In 1914, a British explorer named Ernest Shackleton set out on one of the most ambitious journeys of his time. His goal was bold: to cross the Antarctic continent on foot. The ship carrying his expedition was called Endurance. But the journey did not unfold as planned. Before the expedition could even begin its crossing, the ship became trapped in thick Antarctic ice. For months, the crew waited as the ice slowly crushed the vessel. Eventually, the ship broke apart and sank. Shackleton and his men were left alone on drifting ice, thousands of miles from home. No rescue ships were coming. No clear plan existed. But Shackleton did something quite remarkable. He did not wait for perfect certainty. He began to act. First, the crew moved across the frozen ice. They launched small lifeboats into freezing seas. Later, Shackleton and a few companions sailed a tiny boat across one of the roughest oceans in the world to reach help. The journey was dangerous and uncertain. Yet, step by step, decision by decision, the path forward slowly appeared. In the end, every member of the expedition survived. Shackleton's story became one of the most powerful examples of leadership in British exploration history. Not because everything went according to plan, but because he continued moving forward even when the way was unclear. There's a quiet cultural idea behind many British exploration stories: the belief that action often comes before certainty. You begin, you observe, you adjust, and gradually the next step becomes visible. For parents watching children learn English, this idea may feel familiar. Many children hesitate to speak because they want the sentence to be perfect. They wait for the right word. They wait for confidence. But confidence rarely appears first. It grows through attempts. One sentence, then another, then another. Just as Shackleton discovered the path across ice and ocean by moving forward, children often discover their voice in the same way. Confidence comes first.